Playgrounds play a big part in the health, growth, and well-being of children. They are no place to be sad or lonely, but sometimes some kids, for whatever reason, need a friendly hand, a simple gesture, maybe just a seat at the buddy bench.
So we are sitting on a buddy bench, and it is made out of plastic caps from like water bottles or soda bottles, like pop stuff.
Anna and her fellow Girl Scouts donated this buddy bench to an elementary school. It was one of their big projects, focused on recycling and reuse, but with an even bigger purpose.
We wanted to, give an opportunity to kids that, maybe doesn't have a buddy at recess, or if they're playing on a playground. And so if they don't have anybody, they can come over here and sit on this, and then somebody, can see them and then come over here and sit with them and be their new buddy and go play with them.
We asked all three girls and their parents to help illustrate the benefits of a buddy bench, sometimes called a friendship bench.
So they chose this to not only get their award and badge for recycling, but also for community and coming together, working together.
Play, exercise, and the freedom of fun. You cannot underestimate how important these are to childhood development. So too is socialization. It builds self-esteem and resilience, encouraging children to navigate and enjoy the world around them. Buddy benches can be especially helpful at child care centers and schools. The benches usually have bright colors and some form of descriptive lettering. For the child sitting on it, it's a signal to others. But it's also important to let all the children know what the bench is for.
It can help them realize that not everyone has a friend to hang out with. And so it gives them a time to be a better person and come and be someone's new friend.
AAA State of Play offers several choices of buddy benches: portable, surface-mounted, or mounted in ground. Their durable mesh framework is built to breathe, stay cool, and dry quickly. So whether you buy it or build your own, this little bench can help children empathize, socialize, exercise, and just play.
Yes, it is good for everybody because it gives everyone an opportunity to, meet new people and be a good person.